So, Mama's in bed.
Mama's in bed, and they still haven't weighed you. They're still. That's how new you are. We don't even know how much you weigh. You haven't been cleaned off. This shirt. It's all right. I've been kissing you too. You're not gonna get any milk out of that wrist. You'll get fed soon enough.
We don't even know when you were born. Like, oh no, 7:37 a.m.
Yeah. So 7:37 on April 13th, 2013. But it's Saturday. It's not Friday.
Yeah.
He's cute.
It's been confirmed. She's seen a lot of babies. She said you're the cutest one ever.
Cute.
So, can you just sign out of the computer, Lauren asked?
Oh, I would
Sign out. I don't know. Maybe
I'll check.
it looks like you're signed out, but
And that's
Is
Michelle.
that a yawn?
Michelle, the midwife.
midwife, exile, midwife
Hey,
reappeared.
Sarah.
And Sarah.
There we go.
No, he looks like you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's allowed.
These are days that you remember when May's rushing over you with desire to be part of the miracles you see. In every hour you know it's true that you are blessed and lucky. It's true that you are touched by something that'll grow blue.
Come on in. Hey, Ben.
Hi.
Who's that? Mama. That's right. It's Mama.
Look what Mama's got.
And who's that? That's a baby brother. That's right.
We've been
What's
talking
his name? What's baby brother's name?
Nico.
That's baby Nico. That's right.
He's so little.
Hey, Ben. How are you?
He's such a little bitty thing. We'll have to be careful, won't we?
I missed you, honey. Hi, Donna.
There'll be more up
Ben,
to.
come see your
That
baby
might be the
brother.
last one.
Would you come over here with
93
me
is
and we
excellent.
can talk to Nico together?
So
Look, it's
that may
baby
be the last
Nico.
one.
Gentle.
Yeah. Yeah.
Was
that
that
was
gentle?
soft and sweet.
Aw.
Yes.
But if not, it depends on which nurse.
Yeah, you go sit up here with us?
Like 3, you gotta be
Yeah,
3. Remember I told
yeah.
you?
Where are you?
So, maybe
Which
they might
direction
do
are
it
you
again,
coming
maybe
back
like
at?
maybe
I think he's playing a little bit.
That might be the last one.
Okay.
It depends on what nurse you get. It
And the
depends on
cat,
what's
the
going
cat
on.
there, just
Can you
line, like,
gently
around
touch him?
Ben,
Not
You
his
want to
foot.
hold a
Can you
time,
show
but
baby
they'll be
Nico
like you said in the
gentle?
evening. Let's just give her a rest. We'll give you a rest and then see how it's like.
I
if you
think
do
not.
anything.
Now we may need to
So
protect him.
I'm
Yeah.
around that
well,
guard.
Ben's playing other things right now.
right?
And if I can't urinate on
Oh,
the
I'm
You
so
bumped your
sorry.
head? Oh
Oh,
no.
then it's I think it's 6 to 8 hours. But then it'll be the night nurse. So, let it
There